Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you for clicking on this video and I hope you guys stick around and subscribe. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for watching. So right now I'm just cleaning my blinds, which honestly you guys, this took me, I didn't time myself, but I feel like it took me about an hour, maybe 45 minutes to an hour. It took me so long that that's all I did this day, and then you'll see in a little bit my outfit will change. I had nothing more left in me to do the rest of the bathroom, so I think this is the next day when I did the toilets. Yeah, it is. But anyway, so first I'm going to be wiping down with all of the surfaces. I'm going to be wiping them down with just this multi-surface spray. And then after I wipe it down, you'll see me disinfect with Clorox wipes, which I just ran out, which kind of sucks because as everyone knows, it's hard to find any disinfectants right now. But yeah, I hope you guys bear with me right now. I am just winging this voiceover, and I'm probably gonna say a lot. It's just like, I don't know, this isn't my first voiceover, but I have done very few, so yeah, please bear with me. But anyway, here I am cleaning the baby toilet, wiping it down, and then you'll see me disinfect it again. So here I'm just wiping down the toilet brush holder, and I'm gonna wipe it down and then also disinfect it just like with the toilets. Honestly, I could not wait to clean this. It had been driving me crazy for like months. Let's just be honest here. We're just gonna be honest in this video. But yeah, I'm so glad that I finally got it clean. So I just wanted to assure you guys, I am washing my hands between cleaning each and every item that I cleaned in my bathroom. I just wanted to make that clear because I know I didn't show myself washing my hands, but that's only because I couldn't, I would have to touch the phone to record myself while washing my hands. So I just wanted to show you I am washing my hands. I washed my hands so many times throughout this whole day. My hands were so dry, but thankfully I do have shea butter lotion, so that helped a lot. So here I am just wiping down the top of our shower. It's super dirty up there. Honestly, I've never cleaned the top of this, and we've lived in this rental home for about 2 years, a little over 2 years. So yeah, it was really nasty. And then here we're going, sorry guys, here I am wiping down the tops of the doorways and the mirrors. We have a Jack and Jill bathroom. So this is just one door and one mirror, because on the other side of the bathroom it's the same thing. It's the same mirror and the same door. But I only show this one, just, you know, I figured it was kind of, it would lose your guys' interest if I showed both. I try to just film what I think I'd like to watch, and kind of edit it that way too. So I hope you guys enjoy that too. But as you can see, it's super shiny right there. And then this is the top of the mirror, and it was so dirty. I'm so glad I got it clean, because just knowing all that dust was up there. Yeah, and it's the same situation for this mirror. You guys, honestly, I hate this mirror. It's so ugly and it wobbles. It sits next to the shower, above the toilet. But again, this is a rental home, and like I just have a hard time doing anything to it, because it is a rental, and it's also it's an older home, and it just needs a lot of work, and there's just a lot of surfaces I just don't want to mess with, because I don't know, guys, I have a hard time with it. But I would love to like do one of those like temporary makeovers, but I don't know, who knows, we'll see what happens in the future. So here I am just cleaning the top of my cabinet. Yeah, it's really dirty. I've never cleaned it, but it's clean now, and that's all that matters. And I did end up putting my towels on top of here, instead of inside the cabinet, and then I put toilet paper at the bottom. So next clip is going to be a little just a clip of James and I. He was just being really silly, and I was already venting to you guys on camera, but I decided not to include those clips, just because I didn't think it was related to the video topic. So yeah, here you go. But I'm gonna get this done, do something else besides like mess with my stuff. Okay, mess with your hair, how about that? Mess with James's hair and his face. All right, guys, I'm gonna keep going, as painful as it is, but we're gonna get this done. That way my bathroom is just clean, and I know I'm gonna feel so amazing after this. So let's keep going. So I decided to just take this shower caddy out of our shower. It was all rusty and just, I don't know, I got it used to like it. My aunt gave it to me because I just wanted like more storage in the shower, but I kind of just realized I just needed to declutter my soaps and stuff, because I don't know, does anyone else have a hard time using their conditioner as fast as their shampoo? I have that problem constantly and it drives me nuts. But anyway, I just took out a bunch of soaps that I didn't need, and yeah, and then I didn't need that rusty old caddy. So, but yeah, here I'm just cleaning the shower. It's nothing, the cleaner isn't special or anything, it's just something I got from my local Food Max, but it honestly made the bathroom smell really good, so I really liked it. And then after I washed the shower, I also follow up with some Windex on both the inner and outer part of the shower. So guys, while I'm cleaning my trash can, I can't help but notice all of the dark spots on my shower, like in between the wall and the bottom floor part. I think it's mold in like the what is it called, the caulking, and I have tried doing the whole trick where you like douse the paper towels in bleach and you stick them on there for a long time, and then it's supposed to make them white, but it's not helping. It's honestly, the mold is so stubborn. If you guys have any other recommendations, please let me know down in the comments. I will do anything I'll try anything just to try to get rid of that stuff because it bothers me so much. So anyway, so here I am just using my brand new I forget what it's called, but I'll link it down below. I think my fiance got it off of Amazon, but he got it for me for Mother's Day, and I'm not complaining. I'm the type that actually likes to get new cleaning products because Mother's Day is about appreciating moms. So if he gets me anything that makes my job as a mom easier, then hallelujah. Is anyone with me? Let me know. But I think I saw it on the vacuum. I think it's called a Eureka or something, but it all like comes apart and becomes like a small vacuum, and it's just, honestly, it's been amazing, guys. So yeah, I'm just vacuuming the floor. This vacuum is just for hard surfaces, I think, because it doesn't have a bristle on the bottom. So this is my dog food container. We keep it in the bathroom because it's just where we have room for it. And yeah, I'm just putting the new bag of dog food in there. This is Sophie. I got her about 7 years ago. She'll be 8 in August, and she's my first baby. And then in the next clip here, I am cutting some strings off of my bath mat. Every time I wash it, it's always shedding these strings that I just cut off. And then after I cut all the strings off, you can see me, I almost cut the tag off of this because I'm always constantly tucking that tag in, but I just decided not to because I don't know, honestly I don't know what made me not cut it off, but I didn't. Maybe next time. So here I'm just putting everything back where it belongs in the bathroom. I was so happy at this point. I am done. And yeah, I'm going to show you, these are the after takes, and I'm just so happy that it's so clean. I think I'm going to do another bathroom clean with me because I still have some deep cleaning to do. I didn't do the walls. I didn't do the floors, like the dirt between the tiles, and just the doors and stuff like that. So stay tuned for that. But thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys subscribe, and I'm just so appreciative of every one of you that click on my video, and I hope you stick around to get to know me. Also, go ahead and go over to Instagram and follow me there. I would love to follow you back. I'll link my Instagram name down below. But anyway, I hope you guys have a great weekend, and see you in my next video. Bye.